Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Andriansyah. NIM 2100010080. Here I will present a journal entitled The Influence of Unemployment, Human Development Index and Gross Domestic Product on Poverty Level. Introduction. Poverty is a global issue faced by many countries in the world, including Indonesia. Poverty is a multidimensional problem related to various aspects of human life and livelihood, both economic, physical, social, cultural, psychological, technological, and other elements which are closely related to each other. Therefore, poverty elevates effort, take time, strategies, and resources that need to be synergized to solve it. Poverty production program in a activity carried out by the government, local government, business world, and community to improve the welfare of the poor, through social assistance, community employment of micro and small economic business, and other programs to action economic activities, with various poverty alleviation policies and programs carried out. The poverty level in Indonesia managed to fall from 16% in 1917 until finally breaking the single-digit mark of 9.41% in March 2019 and dropped back to 9.22% in September 2019. Literature review. Including this study, the author has several references from previous research that already exist. The study also showed the employment growth mediate between HDI and poverty. The research data taken from the online website of the Indonesian Central Statistics Agency (BPS). Regression method with panel data are done using the UFUS application. Dinata 2020 from the research that has been done. The result of HDI have a negative and significant of poverty. The economic growth has no significant effect to poverty. The contribution of influence from the fourth variable is 95.1%, while other variable influence the rest. The explains can be described the effect of the number of employed, HDI, and GDP of poverty level in SLU in a talk like the following. Based on the formulation of the problem, the conceptual framework mentioned above, the hypothesis proposed in the study is: 1. Employment has a positive and significant effect on the poverty levels. 2. HDI has a positive and significant effect on poverty level. GDP has a positive and significant effect on poverty level. Research method and materials. In this study, the approach should be researcher in quantitative research and used statistical set was conducted in SLU and was conducted from March to May 2021. The type of the of data used in this study in secondary data. The sample taken in this study were data on unemployment, HDI, GDP, and poverty level in SLU from 2010 to 2020. Instrument and measurement. The data analysis method using in this study, the descriptive statistical analysis, descriptive analysis are statistics used to analyze data by descripting of describing data that has been collected as it is without intending to make generally accepted conclusion of generalization to determine the significant level of each independent variable regression confident on the determined variable. A significant test is a process used to test the type of error of the result of hypothesis 0 from the sample. The basic idea behind significant testing is the statistic of the distribution of sample from a static below the null hypothesis. The descriptor to process HO is made based on statistical test score obtained from existing data. Result and discussion. The subject of this discussion are how the influence to employment, HDI, and GDP on the poverty level in the SLU, where the data object used comes from the Central Statistics Agency (BPS) of SLU employment data, HDI, and GDP as independent variable are used to see how these independent variable affect the poverty level is SLU as the independent variable. The variable data used in this study is data from 2010 to 2020, 11 years. The research data object obtained will be analyzed with the multiple linear regression model to support the study result because the independent variable used consists of 3 variables. The multiple linear regression model is used to test how independent variables relate to dependent variables. Conclusion. After researching the influence of unemployed, HDI, and GDP on poverty level in SLU, following to further deepen and emphasize the result of for research. The results of this study are expected to be used as reference material of the deployment of advanced analysis, of course by paying attention to weakness and limitation in this study to deepen and enrich the result of this study. It is expected for further research to use other variables beyond the independent variable used in this study. The SLU government need to further utilize the potential of natural resources and integrate interested investment then can open more comprehensive employment, increase the HDI mainly in terms of education and health to provide more competitive human resource, pursue high GDP growth rates, and be more qualified and inclusive to reduce poverty level in as low. Thank you.